Imagine this, you're sitting on a beach, sipping your favorite drink, while your crypto portfolio grows steadily in the background. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you that this dream could be your reality? The key? Having the right tools in your arsenal. Welcome to Extra Online Knowledge. I'm going to take you on a journey through the 4 must-have tools that can help you unlock the door to financial freedom in the world of cryptocurrency. So, grab a seat, and let's dive in. Tool number 1, MetaMask, your gateway to the decentralized world. Picture this, you're standing at the entrance of a vast, uncharted digital universe. But to step inside, you need a key. That key is MetaMask. MetaMask is more than just a wallet. It's your passport to decentralized finance DeFi. Whether you're swapping tokens, staking, or exploring NFTs, MetaMask makes it seamless. It's like having a Swiss Army knife for the crypto world. But here's the best part, it's incredibly user-friendly. Tool number 2, Binance, a global crypto powerhouse. Now that you've got your wallet, it's time to trade. And when it comes to trading, Binance is the undisputed king. Think of Binance as the New York Stock Exchange of crypto. With hundreds of coins, low fees, and advanced trading features, it's the go-to platform for both beginners and seasoned traders. But Binance isn't just about trading. It's a one-stop shop for everything crypto, from earning interest on your holdings to participating in exclusive token launches. If you're serious about building crypto wealth, Binance is a tool you can't afford to ignore. Tool number 3, Coinbase, the beginner's best friend. Let's rewind for a moment. Remember your first day at school. Everything felt overwhelming, right? That's how many people feel when they first enter the crypto space. Enter Coinbase, the friendly teacher who holds your hand and guides you through the basics. With its intuitive interface and educational resources, Coinbase is perfect for anyone taking their first steps into crypto. But don't let its simplicity fool you. Coinbase also offers advanced features like staking and a dedicated pro version for more experienced users. It's the perfect blend of simplicity and power. Tool number 4, Bybit, the trader's playground. Now, let's talk about leverage. If you're looking to amplify your gains, and let's be honest, who isn't? Bybit is the tool for you. Bybit is a derivatives exchange that specializes in futures and margin trading. It's like stepping into a high-stakes poker game, where the rewards can be huge, but so can the risks. With its lightning-fast execution and robust security, Bybit is a favorite among professional traders. Just remember,
with great power comes great responsibility.
Always trade wisely. And there you have it, the 4 essential tools for crypto success: MetaMask, Binance, Coinbase, and Bybit. But here's the thing, tools alone won't make you wealthy. It's how you use them that counts. So, start small, learn continuously, and always stay ahead of the curve. The world of crypto is vast, exciting, and full of opportunities. With these tools in your hands, you're not just a spectator, you're a player in the greatest financial revolution of our time. So, what are you waiting for? Dive in, explore, and start building your crypto wealth today. Remember, the future is decentralized, and it's yours for the taking. See you in the next video.